I think it calmed me down to experience music, imperfect, but still music. And
So what is it? I'm just going to play devil's
yeah,
advocate a little. So what is it that made it still music? I agree with you entirely, by
yeah.
the way.
Um, because when he was on, it was great, and when it was off, it was just a glitch in the road, and it was a very human glitch, and he cared about the music, he cared about getting it across, and I think that's what I felt when I was playing, that I really wanted to play, not to show that I was perfect, but just to share the music. Um,
Is that a new state of mind
it is for
for
performance.
performance?
Yeah. It's not when I play for myself, but it is, I think, when playing for others.
Sharing is a wonderful attitude to have.
Yeah.
I tell that to my students sometimes, that when you go for a performance, don't feel like suddenly you're producing for the others.
Yeah.
Make it be it more about you're allowing them to share
Yeah.
what you have to offer.
Yeah. And it kind of shifts the emphasis from yourself to the
Hmm.
music.
That's important too.